Did you know carbs provide your body with energy? They come in a variety of forms, what I just mentioned. Not all carbs are created equal. The difference is in the fiber and the nutrient content. So you have an apple contains carbs, but it contains vitamins, minerals, and other fibers. So apples are carbs. So jelly beans are another source of carbs, but they contain no vitamins, no minerals, no fat, fiber, and they contain a lot of sugar. If you are eating something and if it serves no nutritional value, if this does not help you live longer and feel better and improve your health, why are we eating that, especially all the time? So you're contributing to what, your future grave, to that, or are you contributing to living healthier? So we got to start making better choices of foods that's coming to our bodies that's going to help us live longer. If it don't make nutrition, it don't make sense. So if you cannot tell me how that food helps you when you eat it, then why are you eating it? Because it's going to mean you no good. 9 times out of 10, if you can't give one good thing, like this jelly bean has not one good, nothing to say is good for you, but people will splurge out on that. This apple has all kinds of vitamins and minerals, so it makes more sense to eat that. That's an investment to your body. This is really destruction. Investment, destruction. And a lot of foods are destruction. Processed, choose less processed carbohydrate foods. So again, you have your baked sweet potato, or if you have your you can put it in the baked sweet potatoes that you put in the oven, when you put marshmallows, or you can cook it more processed to baked potato chips. But the less processed, the better. The more natural state, the better it is for when we are doing carbs.